Hello folks, this is Mike from Mike's Magic Resto Detailing here in rainy Sharpsburg, Georgia. What I got here, as you can see, is a bucket. That black mark is where it's 2 gallons of water with just a little bit of rinseless wash in there to give it some color so y'all could see it. And what I have here is what's called a Slurpee from Aqualux Detailing Supply. It's a 1400 GSM towel. That's a lot. This is high quality right here. Not much better. I just want to see how much water it can absorb. Shoo, that's a lot of water, folks. That's a lot of water. What's that, about a gallon or so? Yeah, buddy.